What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here to bring you a daily scoop on everything going on in crypto. Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to investing in crypto to make life-changing wealth. None of this financial advice, just my opinion and pure education. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and do your due diligence. Man, we have a lot to talk about today. We're going to be covering Bitcoin bouncing back, altcoins being hot, Shib, let's be realistic. What I'm doing with my crypto, since I'm not selling it, I'm going to talk to you guys about staking and lending. SpookySouls and Veve, some NFT projects, and if you guys know already, I love Veve. I buy a lot of my NFTs on the Veve app. And lastly, November's just going to be awesome. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and TikTok at Crypto by Marvin. So I actually switched my handle on Twitter and TikTok just because it's more crypto friendly, and you can follow me on Instagram at Media by Marvin. Let's look at the crypto fear and greed index. Right now we are sitting at 74. We've been hanging out around the 70 region for the last week. Things are looking good. It's actually nice to be sitting around the 70, 74 region just because that kind of resets things. When things are in the 80s and 90s, it can last there for a while. It can hang out in the 90s for a very long time and 80s. But what I like being about around the 70s is that it's kind of resets, everyone's, greed, in the sense of like people not jumping in too hot, people are not going crazy. Staying around 70 is healthy to me. So that's just my opinion. But as we go into the later months of November and December and possibly January, yeah, we're going to be up in the 80s and 90s for the greed, in my opinion. That's when we're going to start seeing when Bitcoin is going to all-time highs and it's not stopping. Looking at the market right now, we can see that we are at 2.66 trillion in market cap. I think this might be an all-time high. Altcoins are flying right now. Everything is looking super healthy. If we just look at the year to date, I think earlier this year we topped in at about 2.53. So yeah, I think we're like approaching all-time highs currently. So things are looking really good. Same with altcoins. The altcoin market cap is flying right now. I have to put my phone on do not disturb because I get freaking texts all the time. But overall, total market cap is looking healthy. Altcoins are looking really good. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's jump into the charts really quick. If we jump into the trading view, thank goodness it's working today. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 61,899, about 62,000 basically. Yesterday on the daily, we printed this almost like a hammer candle. The last couple of days, the bears have been trying to push us down, but unsuccessful at closing below 60,000. So we've really been holding the $60,000 region for about 2 weeks. That's very impressive. We've closed a little bit below 60,000 a couple of days ago, but we're able to push back up. So that is looking fantastic. Right now on the daily, you can almost see that we're developing an inverse head and shoulders, which is very bullish. So what I would need to see Bitcoin do, if we zoom into the hourly, right now, for the last couple of days, we've been in this downward trend. But we can see that Bitcoin is starting to break out of it. What I would like to see Bitcoin do is close over 62,600. If we can close over 63,000, that would be a huge win for the bulls, indicating that, bulls are back in control. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you can almost see inverse head and shoulders. You can see the inverse head and shoulders play out. It's kind of ugly. You see the left shoulder over here, which was developed between the days of October 22nd to the 25th. And then we have the head from about the 26th to the 28th, and now we're kind of scooping out and developing this ugly right shoulder. It's better presented on the daily, but if we take a look at the 4-hour charts, I think you can see it a little bit better. Yep, left shoulder, head, shoulder. So if we break out of this, that would be very bullish. Again, I think a $63,000 close would be very bullish. But keep in mind, we closed our highest monthly candle in the history of Bitcoin. We've never closed at 60,000. That is very bullish. That's a huge win for the bulls. And right now, last night we actually dipped down into about the $59,000 region about midnight. and then like clockwork, we bounced back up. I had a feeling that that's what was going to happen, because that's what happened at the beginning of October. We dipped down to the $42,000 or $40,000 region, and then we blasted off and we started our ascent. And I have a feeling, just an inkling, that we may be developing that ascent. Maybe today we close between 62 and 63,000, and tomorrow we start really pushing towards 63,000. That's what it feels like. You can kind of feel the energy in the crypto realm. Ethereum having a great day as well. Last week we hit all-time highs, and then we had a major push of altcoins just kind of running. Ethereum doing very, very well. If we pull up the daily, you can see that we hit all-time highs. We had a bit of a retracement back to 41,000, and we're blasting back up to 43.65. Not too far from 4,400. I think we got up to about 4,450. So not 4,500 yet, but we're making our way towards that. So Ethereum doing very well, very impressive. Binance Coin also doing very well, about 10% up on the week at 535. Solana at $203. Cardano still down. I think we're gonna see Solana flip Cardano very shortly. I love Cardano, but it's been consolidating for a while. I still believe that Cardano has room to run, but I do think that it's gonna be in this time of consolidation for a while longer. XRP doing nothing. Polkadot up 15% on the day. That's what I'm talking about. Shiba Inu and Doge battling it out. Shiba is up about $5 billion over Dogecoin, up about 20% on the day. Luna up 4%, Uniswap 5%, Chainlink. Everything is doing very well today. It's a good day in crypto overall. Talking about the top winners right now, we have Sandbox. Meta games, Meta tokens have been crushing it. Sandbox, Engine, Mana, those have been doing very well. Quantum up, or Qtum. I know there's Quant and then Qtum. Shiba, Thorchain, Secret, Graph, Dot, Sushi. Dot, I think, is going to have a great run, guys. I think Dot is going to have a great month, especially because of the parachain auctions where they onboard projects. So I think Polkadot is going to be ripping it up. Chili's is up. Love seeing it. It was up at like 70 cents when all the major freaking gaming and meta game tokens were up. Decentraland at 320, Engine Coin at 272, Solana up. Really, there's a lot more up today than there is down. PancakeSwap has been slacking, but I've been staking, and I'm going to talk to you guys about my strategies right now. AMP, it actually had a pump yesterday. I almost went to 6 cents, back down to below 5 cents. But overall, not a lot of red. Just some random ones. Perpetual, but I think Perp had a decent run a couple of weeks ago. Zcash, Zilliqa, IOTA. IOTA, a lot of people have been talking about. Celsius has been stagnant. But overall, there's a lot more green today than there are red. Overall, though, I think everybody's excited. Bitcoin bouncing back. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing the mega run start this week, honestly. Everyone has high expectations, and we already started off on a good note. Let's keep it up. Always do your due diligence. Always be careful. And another thing, too, just a warning. There are a lot of impersonators out there on YouTube, on TikTok especially, telling you to join WhatsApp groups, telling you to message them, telling you to follow them. Make sure that the profiles that you're following are legit. Make sure you don't fall for anything. I myself and a lot of other influencers, I'm not really an influencer, but other people on TikTok, YouTube realm, most likely will never message you. I will not message you, so do not fall for that. And if you find any YouTube videos about send 2 Ethereum, get 4 Ethereum back, do not fall for that. Do not fall for that. Right now, a lot of people are going to try and take advantage of newcomers. So if you can help other people out, do that. I want to talk about Shib really quickly. A lot of YouTube videos, or more TikToks than anything, are showing those videos of if you invested $1,000, you would have made $1 billion. First off, that would have happened to the people who got in on day 1, like before May, like January. Those people were on decentralized exchanges. They were the first ones to get in. That would happen. Right now, Shib is sitting at a market cap of, let's take a look, $40 billion. I do think Shib has potential to run more. Yes, I do. I think it could probably get to fit 60 to 80 billion dollar market cap at the peak of the bull market, maybe. I don't know. All I know is Shib can run. I think Shib has at least some more in the tank. How far will it run? Nobody knows. But I think if you're thinking that if you put $1,000 in now and that you will get 100x return, I'm sorry, that is highly unlikely for that to happen. I do not think that is going to happen, not anytime soon. Reason being is just because the market cap would have to match some. If it 10x, it would be the market cap of Ethereum, and if it 100x, it would be like Bitcoin. That's just not possible. I'm so sorry. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon or ever. Just set realistic expectations. If people are telling you to invest in Shib because it'll 100x from here, that's just simply not realistic. I am sorry to burst your bubble. I do think that you can make some profit out of it. I think you could probably get, you could probably 2x it or at least get 40 to 60% returns, possibly. But I just don't see it getting 100x returns. If you're thinking about investing, consider looking into serious projects that are just more stable. Bitcoin, though it is slower than the rest, you will get more money there than in your savings account. It's a better investment in my opinion, long term. Or Ethereum, Solana is a fantastic project. Cardano is actually now is a good time to get in Cardano. It's still sitting at $2, so pretty low, but there's so many other good projects. If you're new to the space, look into layer 1s, look into layer 2s, look at oracles like Chainlink, things that have been here for a while that have, tested or done the test of time. Just educate yourself, please. Now, things I want to talk about. I want to talk about staking. Right now, I am staking on Celsius. I am staking my USDC because I get 8.8%, and there's a link in the description if you're interested. I am also staking. I'm going to move my DOT over to OKCoin because you get like 17% over there. I'm staking my Matic here, earning about 9%. I am staking what else? I am staking my Bitcoin here, 6.2%. I'm staking my Link here, 3%. So you know what? I'm just staking my crypto here because you know what? My crypto is chilling. I didn't even know that I could stake my Uniswap. I'm probably going to stake my Uniswap here too. I'm just staking my crypto just to earn passive income. I am getting rewards for letting my crypto just sit in these wallets. I've made about $20 in a week for doing nothing, just on Celsius. I am also lending my crypto over at KuCoin. Right now, I'm lending some of my USDT on KuCoin. You can see here the annualized rate is about 35%. When I started, it was 28%. I put auto loan and you get 35% of how much you lend right now, APY, on your USDT. What I like is that there's also insurance that you get from lending on KuCoin. So out of the profit that you make, 5% is taken, and it's put it into the KuCoin fund, where if people don't pay back what you lend out, you have that insurance from KuCoin, which is really, really awesome. I haven't had an issue with KuCoin. I love KuCoin. If you're trying to lend on KuCoin, you have to send USDT. I personally prefer sending Bitcoin over to KuCoin, and then I sell my Bitcoin and transfer it to USDT on the KuCoin website or their trading exchange, and then I take my USDT and then I lend it through KuCoin. Totally recommend it. I am trying to make as much passive income and compound my gains. That way, when after the bull run, I'm gonna stake my USDC, I'm gonna stake my USDT, and I'm gonna lend my USDT to maximize my profits. And lastly, I'm also on PancakeSwap. I am yielding, I'm staking, my PancakeSwap. If we go here, go to earn, we go to pools, I understand, blah, blah, blah. I am staking my PancakeSwap here, and I'm earning 72% APY on my Pancake, which is really, really good. You can't really complain about 72%. It's pretty ridiculous. I only put a certain amount of pancake in here and let it just sit. I have no intentions in selling my crypto for at least a month and a half at most. So I figure, why not maximize my gains if I'm just gonna let it sit there and just let it earn interest? Why not? Even if it's an extra $100 that you gain, it's worth it. It's for doing nothing. Again, not financial advice, but I am personally staking my cryptos just to earn passive income. Now, also want to talk to you guys about some NFTs that I'm getting into. I am waiting. I think this launches today at 6 p.m. Today is November 1st. It was supposed to launch yesterday, but there was just some, things going on in terms of like their uploading. But SpookySouls launched today at 6 p.m. I'm super excited. I love the artwork. Minting is 0.25 Soul. I'm going to try and scoop up 3 or 4 of them just because A, I love them, and B, like, I just want to get my hands dirty in crypto and NFTs, and I figured, you know what, this one is a little bit quieter, smaller, and I just like the artwork. I think they're super cute, and I think the art is really sick. And you know what, if I can be on the ground floor or something, why not? So this is SpookySouls. Definitely go check them out if you're interested. But another NFT, if you guys know me, I love Veve. I've been getting as much Veve as possible with their collectibles. But right now, Veve just announced that they have partnered with Disney. In celebration of Disney Plus Day, Veve are collaborating to launch a series of digital collectibles for beloved characters and iconic items from the world's most beloved stories. So this could be Disney princesses, this could be Star Wars, it could be Marvel, X, Y, and Z. Veve has yet to really go mainstream, which is awesome, so I'm collecting as much. Recently, they did their What If series drop, and I was able to I got an ultra rare, which was sick. I got ultra rare Captain America, and then I bought the normal Captain America on secondary, so I completed my collection. And then I also bought Spider-Man. For some reason, people were selling it below floor price. So floor price is when it's listed, so it was $50. People were selling it at like $37, so I was like, okay, I'll buy it at a 30%, 30% off. And now it's back over $50, so I'm already in profit with that. So that's pretty cool. And my ultra rare is worth like $350. So really, really love Veve, but I'm super excited to see their Disney Plus collection. Plus, if you get some of their golden ones, I think that you get either 3 months of Disney Plus for free, or you get a year's worth for free, depending on it. So you get the Golden Moments NFT collection as an added bonus. Every customer in select markets who purchases an NFT from the Golden Moments collection will also receive 3 months of Disney Plus, courtesy of Veve, while those customers who first purchase the ultra rare digital collectible on Disney Plus Day will receive a 12-month subscription. So adding utility, this is sick. I love Veve. Don't sleep on them. But overall, guys, things are looking great for crypto. I'm super excited. You know, Bitcoin back at 62,000. You can't be mad at that. You cannot be mad at that. All in all, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye. Oh.